I was already on. Ducks chat. Let's start with the 30-minute like we always do. We swept the Asia session highs. We didn't sweep the Asia session lows, so that's bullish for me. We're above VWAP. We're above previous day's close, the white dash line. Looking for price to go higher. Let me enable my strategies. If you tuned in yesterday, the coin flip strategy, which we're doing kind of as a joke, but so far it's 66% accurate. And yesterday had 2 winners. Let's just enable all of them. Take a look at the daily on NQ. So we had kind of railroad tracks over here, but didn't get continuation on that move. Still above the 50-period moving average. Traded a little bit higher. Swept the previous day's high on the daily, came down. And now we're trading higher again. I could see this being a small pullback in a continuation run, but look at the increase in volatility. Look at the size of these last 4 bars compared to all these bars. The volatility just died. Thank God it's come back. That's all I can say. Gold is hanging out above its 50-period moving average. We also kind of came down below it. We didn't do that on NQ though. No, we didn't. Yeah, came below the 50-period moving average. Wow, look at the 100 and the 200 hug. Oh no, they hugged each other because there's not enough data. We should put more data on this chart. Data series. Let's get an extra 60 days. Let's make it 240. That's about a year. Apply. Okay, there we go. What's gold doing right now? Stair stepping higher, moving up into VWAP. What did we say we were down? We were down $10 on gold. Okay, gold has a habit of bouncing off the previous day's close. I wouldn't be surprised to see gold reach there and bounce off that. Bitcoin up 165, came down to the 50-period moving average. Let's see what that one is. The 200 even on the screen? Data series, do I have enough there? Yeah, days to low, 365, cancel. It's here somewhere. I don't know, it's not being displayed. Why not? Data series, let's see if I have the 50. No, not data series. Strategies. No, indicators. What am I talking about? 50, 100, 200. No, it's the 15 to 100. Okay. Good enough. Don't need it. And Bitcoin is stair stepping lower, below VWAP. Kind of trading sideways, eh? Though, on a larger scale. Hasn't been given good moves like it used to. It slowed down volatility. Let's see what happened with the volatility. 32.42, $3,242 per day. That's pretty good. Okay, we're gonna watch NQ. I took a small little trade in NQ in topstep, but I didn't let it play out, unfortunately. Right, it went up 14 points from my entry. I only took about 4. I had to go to the bathroom. Hey, these things happen. Let's get set up. Hmm. What year does this go behind? Good morning, Ruan. How you doing? You know, 28,612 chips. Give me a second. I just got to. That's probably one of the hardest things to do, and also one of the most profitable things to master. Once you get this done, once you figure this out, you can master trade. Can start master trading. There we go. Oh, didn't finish yet. What the hell? Wow, that's crazy. I just saw some kind of beetle on a YouTube short spray another really big beetle, and then they replayed it in slow motion. Sounded like the other beetle was groaning and screaming. Oh yeah, that's funny. Run! Bitcoin went to sleep. What's the date today? Looking forward to the stream. Ah, look at that. Okay. Hey, Yotis. How are you? Great, thank you. Been caught up with crypto, so back with futures. Yeah, it's sometime for big news on Apple. The Bitcoin went to sleep a little bit here on the. I'm not getting those big moves anymore. Still, there's moves to make money with, but like right now, I would have been short if I would have taken it here at 114,550. But not like before. It's gotten a little bit quieter. Funny, I don't see it on the daily though. I'm looking at the daily volatility, $3,242. But it's okay. I'll trade NQ. Good morning, Skeletor. Haven't seen this guy in a little while. Play it a little less often now, but home country. Where's the home country? I know you were in No, wait, not Dubai. Qatar, I think. I think you were in Qatar, right? Now you're down to the home country. Australia? Why do I have a feeling it's Australia? Yeah, I've been also kind of taking time off. I haven't done my sub of the week. South India. Ah, you told me that too. Yeah, yeah, you told me that also. It's just had a strange. You know what? It's your name. Your name always makes me think Australia. I think it's just the Matthew part. State called Kerala. Oh, look it up. Okay, so I got to get organized. I have a lot of accounts that I'm trading, and I want to trade. I want to trade Bullinox also. Malayalam. Wow, never heard of it. Beep 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 beep. That's loud. 2 minutes to open. Let's get the positions tab open. New Apex copier. I don't think so. Not right away. I'll tell you why. I think I wanted to calm down before I do the Apex copier. Let's get to MNQ. Maybe I'll just start with Take Profit Trader, MFFU. MFFU. No. User 42150. I don't know. That is the company. 30 million people speak. Oh, wow. Jesus. I say Jesus because we only have, I think, about 30 million people in our whole country in Canada. It's a little higher now. It's probably 45. I think it was 30 when I was 30 years old, but there are not a lot of people in Canada, especially compared to the United States or India or China. We're very underpopulated. We have a lot of land, but very underpopulated. So right now we're trading lower on the NQ, but we're above the bands theoretically on topstep, but below the bands on the NQ. We have a full bar below the bands over here. So what do I do? What do I do? Do I think shorts? Do I think longs? We're above VWAP. Or do I wait for them to get in agreement? I think that's what I'm going to do. Let either NQ get above or topstep get below. Meantime, I'll open up the Bullinox, getting a little, there we go. Markets are open. We're above, so, oh. I was going to say we're above. If I get a trigger in topstep, I was going to take it, but look at that dump. Four, I did a 4 lot. That's all you're going to give me? Well, if we go bullish on, we're going to have a big loss here. If we don't come back down, we fucking triggered. We triggered a bullish bar on topstep. I had to get out. Okay, recovered some of the loss. Not bad on that bullish run. Let's wait for a pullback. You know what? Let's get in for a 4 lot. Wait for a pullback, and then we'll get in on the next, hopefully, the bull run. I'm just giving back everything I made. Next push up. There we go. Let's see some continuation. Oh, 2 minutes already. Are we going to break the highs? You know what? I'm overexposed here. I don't like it. I can get trapped. Okay. Up 81. Nothing crazy, but better up 81 than down 81, right? Boom. Somebody joined my stream. I have no idea who it could be.
It's not me.
No, it's not. Ah, your Omnius Futures is on the right side today. You were inverted yesterday for some reason.
Yeah, I thought it was you for half the day until I fixed it.
Okay.
I think my prism lens, sometimes it reverts the picture back.
Yeah. Are you talking to yourself? Because I'm looking at your stream. I don't see anybody. Oh, there I am.
You don't see anybody.
No, just appeared. Just appeared.
Dang, it takes like 5 seconds.
I'm impatient. Sometimes 5 seconds is all I got.
That's what she said.
That's what she says.
Oh.
We won't talk about that. Okay, I took a couple of trades in my funded futures, my funding futures. I have no idea what the name of this company is. I'm up $80.
We're a bit sick in my house, so.
Oh, yeah, I heard you talking. You're under the weather. Yeah, I heard on your stream in the beginning.
See how it goes.
Well, you know what they say, when you're not rested well, you're under the weather, either don't trade or trade smaller size. Trade cautiously. Okay, top step triggered at 12, 14, 15.
Well, I have things in place to mitigate days like that. And that is, if I get too beat up, I just call it a day.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
No one day should determine our trading.
Yeah, that's really the key. Keep losses small. Like I said before, oh, the volume, wow.
Order filled.
Yeah. 2 minute? No, can't be the 2 minute.
Yeah.
Do you think today there's a possibility we'll remember to trade the the 15-minute opening range retest? Is there a possibility?
Can I draw an arrow on the chart or something? Literally yesterday we taught it several times and still missed it. I'm gonna draw a line at 15 minutes.
The funny thing is, I even have an alarm that rings at 9:49 to remind me to keep my eye out for that.
People are gonna be like, "What is this line in the middle of your chart?"
Yeah. Let's see if we can do better today. Okay. I'll have a trade over here.
What color do you imagine the open range to be?
Hold on. I want to get in long here. Green.
Okay, we'll go with this one then. Sorry, greenish blue.
Green. I use orange a lot also. Funny for my lines. I don't know. I like what was it? Goldenrod. Get out. Goldenrod is one of my colors of choice. That was a shitty trade.
So I got updated on my eval reset yesterday.
It's true. Billinox. Okay.
They reset the account.
There you go.
Didn't really give an explanation for anything though. It was just like, okay, we reset it for you.
Yeah.
Felt like writing them back, but I didn't want to sound ungrateful. Like,
No. As long as it got solved.
is this like a new policy update? Was it just like an error? Like what happened?
Yeah. Well, obviously, I guess I would say it was an error if they fixed it. That's good. So MFFU and Bullinox both took care of everything very quickly.
Yeah. But like you were saying, they changed a lot of stuff on their site. So
Yeah.
I'm just hoping that they're not going to a model more like Apex where you have to blow it or something else. Like maybe it wasn't blown all the way. There was like $5 in it or something. Could you imagine being rebuilt for $5?
And you have $5 drawdown.
You know how mad I would be?
Yeah. Right. It's your responsibility to pay attention. I don't disagree with that.
Well, I do on Bullinox because Bullinox doesn't do it that way. Apex does.
Yeah.
That's why I like Bullinox.
It's like when people don't know the rules of the prop firm they're trading with. That's not the prop firm's fault. That's your problem. If you don't know the rules of stop signs and red lights, the police will still give you a ticket. You can't claim ignorance of the law.
Why not? They do.
That's not a defense.
Yes, it's a defense for them. Why not for me?
For who?
The police.
May no.
Huh?
When did the police claim ignorance of the law as a defense?
Oh my God, there's a video I got to send you. It happened right here in Florida. No, wait, it didn't happen in Florida. It happened to a guy from Florida, about 20 minutes from my house.
Okay.
And he got arrested for holding up a sign that says, God bless the homeless vets.
Okay.
And when he did a deposition with the officer sat there for like an hour just talking about how stupid he was. Like, I don't know. I'm not really that smart. I don't know.
Well, you
And-
know which.
And the officer is a sergeant.
Wow. You know what really gets under my skin? My boys show me sometimes when people catch with a hidden camera, the cops throwing something in the back seat.
Yeah.
Oh, does that just get my blood boiling? Come on. Really? You're going to do that to someone? I think that should be instant firing, and every case that this guy was involved in should be, what's the word?
Dismissed.
Yep. Absolutely.
Thrown out.
100%. This guy should lose his pension, everything. There should be such a harsh penalty for that.
Sad thing is, it happens a lot more than you would think.
Why? Why would they do that? What kind of, what
'Cause
goes
they
in your
get-
brain to make you
they
want to
get-
do that?
They get bonuses for finding stuff.
You think so?
Yeah.
That's a weird bonus system.
It's like they do the bonuses for the DUIs and stuff.
Yeah,
And,
that
they-
I can understand.
Well, they had a bunch of them that arrested a bunch of people for DUIs that weren't DUI.
Mm,
Could you imagine that? You're just driving home one day and you got DUI and you're like, I didn't even drink anything.
yeah. Crazy.
What can you do? But yeah, with the cops, if they can claim they're stupid, they cannot be held liable.
Mm. Stupid. Yeah, it's like every time someone goes in front of Congress Either they plead the fifth or they said they don't remember. I don't even know why they bring anybody in front of Congress. It's such a waste of time and money.
Yeah, same thing there.
But then again, you know, when you get arrested, your Miranda rights, don't say anything, or what do they say? Don't say anything on the grounds that it can incriminate you. So you're allowed to not incriminate yourself. So then I guess the same thing applies for people who get called into Congress. Why would I say something that's going to incriminate myself?
Mm-hmm. That's true.
Okay, let me see if I can get into a short trade here. Hopefully it'll work out in my favor. This is a band trade. Come on, break lower. Dump. Pump and dump. Dump and pump. What did we call it yesterday? Poop and doop? Poop-a-loop? Pop and drop. That's what we called it yesterday. I wanted to
Man,
drop
it's
and
short,
pop.
but I don't have much faith in it. Glad you got more faith in it than I do.
I'm close to my stop out. I'll add if it turns bearish. Hopefully, you know what? I might as well add right here. Give me a chance to get out if it goes down. My risk is so small on this ad. If the sellers push it. Nope. Okay. Just took a bunch of money.
Take it all. Take all my money. I don't care.
Yeah, no, there shouldn't be a bonus system that I won't use the word encourages, but potentially encourages people to do the wrong thing.
Well, what they say they want is they want to incentivize cops to go out and look for drunk drivers or
work
drugs
a little
or
harder, yeah,
stuff
but
like that.
That's for the station or the unit to just organize the campaign.
Yeah. Hey, you got like half my head on your stream.
You guys, same on yours.
What?
You're a tiny little man right now. Hold on. I'm in a long. Come on. It's a lot of noise. It's very loud. I don't know how you guys hear it. If you hear it as loud as I do.
All I hear is my music.
Okay, your chin is almost touching the bottom of the screen in Discord. Take a look in Discord. Look how far away my chin is from the bottom of my screen, and look where your chin is. I can't capture more if it's not there. You get my point? But let me fix it for you. I'll capture as much as I can.
What's up with that?
Change your camera a little bit. Make yourself a little higher up. You know, just...
Looks pretty high on my end.
Yeah, there you go. But no, on the Discord?
No, on the regular one.
Yeah. Okay, so private cams. Unlock. Are you better? No, you're still the same. Yeah, I noticed that when I made my highlight reel also. So I did what you said, and it looks like you did it also, eh?
What's that?
Created a video and posted it in the morning.
Oh, I had a few days set.
No, the short. Didn't you post
Yeah, I had it.
this morning?
Hold on, I'm trying to figure out what I got going on.
Yeah, me too.
My stuff's all screwed up again. I guess it looks good. I don't know. No, I scheduled it.
Yeah, I did the same thing. I took your advice. I'm still
Scheduled
thinking though.
for-
I'm still thinking after, because what happens is if you schedule it for before, people are going to see both thumbnails. I'm thinking the after would be better.
Jose, good morning.
Hey, Jose. Everyone's back from vacation. Was anybody on vacation? If anybody was on vacation for the last week, type a 1 in the chat. Jose also. Type a 1 in the chat if you just came back from vacation.
I had to go on vacation. End of summer vacation.
Type a 2. If you want to go on vacation, but you can't. That would be me.
If I did type a 1, can I still type a 2?
Sure you can.
No, I'm wore out from vacation. I need a vacation from vacation.
Well, that's not a bad thing to have. Okay, let's try and get in here for a long. Didn't film me. It's already
In the
5.
closet, take a vacation from the kids.
Yeah, I have a friend of mine. He goes away every year with his family. But one year, I think something happened with, hold on. Shit, what happened there? I managed to screw that up. So I guess something happened, a family matter. He had to go alone. Came back, he had such a big smile on his face. Wow, that was the best time away I ever had. Even though he had issues he had to take care of. No wife nagging me, no kids pulling at my pants. It was like, he took obviously the time to take care of his family matters, but he had time to himself after. He loved it.
I mean, they're both great. Being with the family, being by yourself, you just gotta not too much of either one.
I don't think I'd like it on my own, to go away on my own. I don't
No,
know.
not to go away on my own.
I'm not a big talker, but I still want somebody to kind of go out to eat with and, sit at a cafe, sit at the beach, even sit on the balcony of the room, whatever. I don't want to just be on my own all the time. 9:48, we just got a bit of a pop. So that's it. How we doing the 15-minute retest? Like, is this good enough? We go touch it, we take it?
I'd like to see a little bit more push than that.
Yeah, I got to see a
Especially
second
since we're this high up.
I got to see another candle. Got any 1s and 2s in your morning, guys?
Nobody on my side wants to take vacation. We're all traders. We don't like vacations. We like trading.
There, my alarm just rang for the opening range. So let's draw a line.
I just deleted it.
I would see this bar here, and I would say you already took it.
So you was asking me, I didn't even see the support here. So I could have took it, but I didn't. You took it?
I just entered. It's not going to work. This is going to be the first one to fail. Oh, what am I doing?
I don't like the inverse hammer candle. But I still would like to jump in.
Train tracks. Well, you're getting a much better price than me now.
All right, 5 cents. We got inverse hammer. I can't buy an inverse hammer. I buy on an inverse hammer. Jose might come after me. So what are you doing, man?
Oh, this. There you go. I got shellacked. What do you expect?
The one time, right?
Yeah. Remember I said yesterday it was going to happen, but I forgot to take it, and it worked out great.
Yep. Yeah, yesterday worked out perfect.
It's
all right. I got beat up on my other trade. So
I'm hoping we see some continuation to the downside now. I'm chasing, and I'm entering late. Instead of entering on bearish candles, I'm entering on kind of bullish candles, short. I don't know. I'm just doing it the wrong way.
that's why I like spreading everything out across accounts. different strategies, different accounts.
Oh, come on. You were right there. You couldn't have filmed me.
What'd my other strategy do today? One win, one loss. Still needs a little bit better.
Oh, look at that. I got a hanging order in funding futures.
Yeah, I had one too.
How do I
You
deal
would
with
think
this
that the
now?
platform would have something to like cancel any orders like that.
Yep, there's got to be something out here. There's, they can't just leave you in La La Land.
Yeah, I don't agree with it. But tell you something that I did is I put a, what would you call it, like a panel on my screen.
Mm,
You know how you see your accounts and stuff?
mm,
I added an account panel, and it tells me anytime there's an active order.
okay. Well,
So
flatten
instead,
everything work, but
well, I mean, just to know there's an order there.
yeah.
So if I look over, I see there's an order there, and there shouldn't be. That's how I know I'm in a trade or order got left behind or something like that.
Like, what does that mean, cancel pending? Is it so hard to cancel an order? Like, why do I have an orange order? And if I go to my orders tab, it says cancel pending. Are they waiting for permission from somebody? Does somebody have to go sign off on it and he went to the bathroom?
Technically, yes.
These
But
are
since you're
computers.
supposed to be in a sim environment, you shouldn't have to worry about that, right?
Mm. Okay, so I don't know. How do I clear this? Okay, I'll do what where are my scenes? You guys have my mic? Yeah, you hear me. I'm gonna close Ninja, reopen it, see what happens. So I'm off just for a second here until I get everything open. Anyways, the good news is it's a buy limit that price went through. If I get filled, I'll have a nice open profit. But they'll never fill you when it goes in your favor. It'll only get canceled. Yeah. If it went against me, it would open an order. Oh. I cleared all historical data. Let me reload. I'd love to see that they, yeah. Okay, there we go. I can bring it back up. It will slowly load. We'll see what we got.
So apparently my bot took a hedge trade, but it closed both of them the way it was supposed to.
Oh, cool.
Suppose
That's
it don't matter
impressive.
that much if it's the eval.
Funding Futures, that's the company. That's impressive, especially that you can read two different accounts and compare their trades and stuff.
That's
I
the
don't
same
know how to do
account.
that.
It's the same account. think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna convert all those strategies into one strategy.
Well, doesn't look like they failed me. Pending orders are canceled, and I have no positions. Oh well.
Do think this wants to go. I just think they're gonna chop out as many people as they can before it does it.
Mm.
What we got for news? Crude oil at 10:30.
Getting good continuation though on all the moves. Well, we'll see what happens. We'll see what. Okay, I was able to enter in an order. Chipping away at my loss again. I think I'm noticing that MFFU and funding futures has very high commissions. I'm not sure yet. I wanted to check. I wanted to do a one lot and check, and I forgot.
Should all be about the same, shouldn't it?
I would think so. That's why I said I'll need to check. Not sure about it yet.
I mean, what are they really charging you commissions on?
Yeah. Well, they want to simulate real trading.
Okay, so I understand you're charging a commission, but I mean, it should kind of be a standard commission, right?
Well, it's standard for each firm. Every trader at the firm has the same commission, but let's break over the 15-minute. Let's break over the high of the previous candle. 959, really?
I feel like in futures, kind of the Ninja Trader and AMP futures kind of have like the standard on the commissions.
Okay, that one didn't work out.
Realistically, if you weren't,
it's 9:50. Yeah, I was just saying it's 9:59. I didn't even check if there's news at 10, so maybe you want to flatten up just in case.
I just checked crude oil at 10:30.
Yeah.
I don't think crude oil will affect us that much, anyways. But
No, I was saying for the 10 o'clock. I didn't check. I got a little.
No, I didn't see nothing for 10.
Ringing.
I'm half blind though, so don't quote me on it. No, but I was saying, I think if we weren't trading prop firms or something, we'd all be trading Ninja Trader or probably AMP futures. At least in the futures market.
Yep. Yeah, I would guess it would be AMP.
Unless there's anybody out there still trying to pay $10 commissions for Think or Swim.
Crazy, eh?
But we got the best platform in the whole wide world. That's what they told me. I told you that, right?
Yeah, I don't know why they do that. They price themselves out of the market.
I'm like, y'all are crazy. I'm like, y'all got to get somewhere in the realm of reality. And they're like, you don't understand. We got the best platform out there. Like, not really. It's kind of slow, kind of clunky. Then they're like, well, it's the best for trading options. I'm not here to trade options.
Hey, Mike. How you doing? Where's Butters? Oh, I just got a trade here. Let's take a 4 lot or a 3 lot.
Maybe he's on vacation.
Yeah, put in a 2. Put in a 2 for Butters.
Mike, good morning. I just got back from a small vacation myself. Now they got us all sick from the vacation. And That messed up. You go on vacation, you're around a bunch of people, you get back, and then you're sick.
Well, you know what? It's look at my daughter. She went to the Dominican Republic. She didn't get any stomach disorders or, diarrhea over there. And now she's back 2 days after she was back. Terrible cramps in the stomach. She can't even eat. And diarrhea all the time. And she's lost 16 pounds already because of it. My wife's already telling her to go to the doctor. Yep, see if she's got a parasite or a virus, because it's pretty serious already.
Yeah, I mean, if you're losing 16 pounds.
Yeah, it's been almost 10 days now.
Good diet plan, I guess, but I mean, not if you're not planning on it. Nah, I'd be worried too, yeah.
Yeah, no, it's too much already.
Plus, it's bad on your body to lose a bunch of weight real fast.
She had this whoa. She had this happen to her. I finally cut a spike in my favor. She had this happen to her the last time she went. You would not believe it, but she had mucus or slime in her poop for almost a year after going to the Dominican Republic. I don't know, maybe she's got little issues or super sensitivity. She also went to the doctor multiple times, did the test, to check for anything. It was always clear. So I don't know, maybe she's just super sensitive. I told her take Bio-K, rebalance her her intestines or whatever. I'm off. Got shit to do today, but I'll be on tonight if anyone wants to hop in the chat. Yeah, I think I'm going to stream tonight also. It's been a while. I'm not streaming at night and I miss it. I'm going to get back to streaming at night. So yeah, I'll see you tonight.
Mike, have fun.
Yeah, I got stuff to do today also, actually. Not fun stuff. Not even going to bring it up. Kind of stuff
me too.
Nobody wants to do.
My stuff's probably go back to sleep.
Later, Mike.
Later, Mike. Yep, some things are so fun you don't even want to tell anybody. Well, we got the push after chopping up everybody in the market today. Actually, I had a great signal for it, but didn't take it. But, I mean, makes sense the way it was chopping everything up. So,
yeah.
And actually, I looked away for a second when it did it, and I thought about it when it came back down, and I was like, nah, it's probably just going to chop again. But I'm good with it.
No, if I'm looking at the band strategy, it absolutely killed it today. Absolutely killed it. Hey, good morning, Joker. I'm back to playing my my memes. I stopped for a while. Once a week. I'm going to choose one day a week. Today is the day. It really looks like him. I love that picture. Yeah, I haven't played all week. Today's the day. Tomorrow will be a quiet day.
Joker, good morning.
I'm not organized. I didn't set up my copy trader. See, that's a terrible thing with that copy trader. I'm afraid to set it up. I have stress setting up a copy trader. It's not supposed to be like that. And I only traded one account.
Now you got me checking mine.
Well, no, 2 accounts. I traded topstep also, but up $30. I'm not trading take profit trader. What am I doing? What am I doing?
Obviously, you're not taking profit.
I gotta get this account over the finish line. 52,139. You know what? I guess I can just I'll copy trade those guys. Let me get MFFU. Oh my God, I have so many things I got MFFU also, which doesn't have to, it's far away from the finish line, but I got an Apex. I got an Apex eval that's like at 52,839, 160 away. Who's going to be the leader? Apex.
They're looking kind of bullish on the hourly chart.
Yeah, I'm going to take a look. Give me a sec. I'll be back.
Yeah, like,
you still hear me, right?
yeah. Am I not supposed to?
Oh, look at that. Oh, no. Yeah, well, I was going to turn my mic off, but I wanted to see what's going to happen on your stream. You doubled up. You changed the way you're grabbing pictures, but because you moved, you went to the top also? Because you moved to the top now. Look at your stream. You're doubled.
I see it. It does that every time.
Yeah.
That's what I was telling you.
Okay, I'll be
Now
back.
I got to turn my other thing back on.
Just leave it
There
like
we
that
go.
for 2 minutes.
And people think I'm weird. There's two of me. One of me's bad enough.
I'll be back in a second.
Even I think one of me's bad enough. Plus, we get to watch videos. Anyways, hourly chart looking kind of bullish. It's kind of cup and handle. See it come up here, break it, push up. That's that one up, didn't I? Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Push.
I'm
He's
back.
back.
You can
He's
fix
back.
it. You got to capture both screens at the same time, like in one shot, not two separate. So you don't have to do that. Okay, let me set up my trade copier. It's time. Is it 10 o'clock? Yeah, 10:10.
Oh yeah, he disappeared.
What disappeared?
You.
No, it shouldn't. I'm on Discord. I'm on my stream. It's your
Think I got it. You was just being difficult.
Nope. Don't blame me on that one.
We all like to be a little difficult from time to time.
Yeah. That's all I can say. Okay. This account is having a hard time getting over the threshold. 64. Really? I have a terrible price. I'm going to have to get out because I have a terrible price. Yeah, I'm
Are you
unable
long?
to. I was short. I'm unable to get this account to pass. It's the Apex account.
Well, short's looking pretty good right about now, ain't they?
It was, but I had a terrible price. I should have been short at like 71, and I was short at 63. I got in very late.
Oh, you were short at 63. Okay.
I was short at 63, yeah, so I covered.
I was chasing.
Yeah, I covered at 58. Got lucky. Yeah. I'm getting in late again today, which just means I'm not paying attention.
Hey, you don't have a remote that turns your camera off like I do?
Yeah, I threw it away.
Throw it away.
Yeah, I don't know what
Thing's,
that for.
thing's awesome. Why would you throw it away?
I can reach my camera with my hand. I don't need a remote.
I
I'm
just press
lazy.
a, I just press a button and I go away. Watch.
I'm lazy
Rick,
enough as it
Can you,
is.
can you see me now?
On Discord, yeah. Oh, wait a minute. No, maybe I just see the background. Hold on. Oh, yeah. No, you're gone. Now you're a phantom. Cool. I can take that trade.
I'll be back in a minute.
Sounds good. He always throws everything away. Yeah. Well, better to throw it away than be a hoarder. That's why the basement is so tidy. Good morning. I sent you your pictures. Did you see your pictures? I'll never throw you away. You're my kookaburra. Yeah, very funny. Okay, I'm looking for a long. It's going to be a top step trade, 2-lot. I think I'm going to trade conservatively for the rest of the day. What? Am I logged in? Oh my God. That's weird. Is anybody trading Bullinox? I just loaded my Bullinox accounts and I have zeros for the bid and ask. There, it just fixed itself. Okay. That was weird.
What was weird?
Oh, my Bullinox account, it didn't have a bid and ask. It had zeros for the bid and ask.
That was weird.
It was. Never seen that before.
All right, what we got?
Impatience is costing me.
Did you try to count the 5 before pressing the button?
Okay, so can I go short? Yes, I can. Top step is short. Ninja is short. 1 minute is almost short. Oh. Boosh.
Nope. My chart looks too bullish to be short.
Even for the next 30 seconds?
It's not my short. It's your short. I can't be taking.
I'm out.
I can't be taking your shorts.
I got 11, 22, 33. Got about 9 points on that trade.
Sweet.
Yeah. Now we'll wait. I'm doing a lot of chasing now. What day is it today? Wednesday. It's too many days. I'm not clicking, and I'm chasing. Really got to get it back to the clicker routine.
Yeah, I saw this guy's video yesterday. I forget who it was, and he's like 100% win rate, right?
Yeah,
Come
I
learn
saw
this
that.
strategy. 100% win rate.
Mm,
So I'm like, all right, let's watch it. Why not, right? Because we all know that everybody has a 100% win rate strategy,
yeah.
right?
Did you read the
Well,
comments?
why wouldn't you? No, I didn't read the comments.
Mm.
But the guy's talking about he had a 100% win rate yesterday.
Ah.
And I'm like, okay, well, I had like a 90%. Do I need to put out a video saying 90% win rate?
Mm.
And then he's only trading for 5 points. I'm like,
Okay.
okay, so you had a 100% win rate on 10 trades for 5 points. So you lose one trade and you lost everything.
I was gonna say maybe you only took one trade.
Yeah, right. So there you go. That's all we gotta do. We take one trade or two trades, 100% win rate.
Yeah.
Come learn my strategy. Pay all this money. I think he was like selling a strategy and stuff too.
No way.
What's funny is it's so similar to mine, and it's like, and yours. And it's like, do we need to be selling our strategies?
Mm.
Like anymore, I
What?
just find that stuff funny. It's like, okay.
One of the comments was dude, you're really lagging behind. I have a 200% win rate. I found that one of the funniest.
Oh, you saw the same video?
Yeah, you sent it to me. You sent
Yeah.
me a DM and TikTok with the link to the video. I thought it was your video at first.
No, I sent you. I thought I sent you a different one.
No,
I sent you one about the dad cussing out the kid for using an EMA.
yeah, and you sent me the 100% win rate.
Oh, did I? Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think about the video with the dad cussing out the kid for using the EMA?
If you would read your messages, you would know. I replied, I replied to you.
I gotta read messages now.
You gotta.
I don't know where they're
I
at.
like it. I thought it was great. I like the idea.
I don't know where the messages. This is why I don't read my messages. Can't find them. Guess I gotta look on my phone. Yeah, it's on the computer. Shut up.
Copyright strike.
Yeah, it was somebody talking. It wasn't music.
Yeah, I know. Just trying to make you nervous. Carlos.
Futures floor nudged you.
Yeah.
You know, guy told me something about somebody nudging you before one time. So it seemed kind of funny.
Don't read it out loud.
I got another guy nudged me. I got two guys nudging me on one day.
And you know what? It's because the streak. I wanted to keep the streak alive, and I didn't want to write a message. Come on,
look, I'll be honest with you. I don't even know where the messages is.
Canceled.
Yeah, that's okay. I said it was a good idea. I like it. It was funny.
How do you find the messages?
I don't know.
Inbox?
Yeah, that's what I do.
I don't see a message. I don't even see the one I sent you.
Well, you gotta go to me. You gotta go to my
I gotta go to your channel? Oh, message. Okay, I got it. Did you watch any of that guy's other videos?
Hey, butter stunts. Which guys? No. Yeah, I did. You're right. I did.
Yeah, you got a bunch of videos like that.
Yeah, a couple.
I watched a couple of them. I thought you'd like a few of them.
Very well done. You can't tell it's AI. I thought it was real. I don't know where he's getting it from. It's not the standard crappy AI.
Well, he's got some that's AI and some that's not AI.
Yeah, then he shows his face. Did I hear correct, Butters? You were on vacation?
Where does Butter go for vacation? Like that's like a joke or something. Butters, good morning.
Yeah, where does Butter go for vacation? I think. Mike is very quiet, but Omnis is coming in loud and clear. Okay, I'll raise my mic a bit.
It's
There we
Mike's
go.
fault. Ain't got nothing to do with me.
Oh, boy, yeah, I see him. He's blasting. He's blasting. Let me lower him a little bit. What's his user volume? 112 and mine? Oh, I don't set mine, eh?
Hey, there it went.
That was another pop.
Hey?
Hey? There we go. This should be about equal.
Hey, Butters,
Yeah.
I feel like we need a joke out of this. Like, where does Butters go for vacation? Like,
I can't think of anything. You got to GPT that. Only crash. Really? Shit.
load it up.
All good? Just damage to the bike?
We care about the bike too, Mike.
Nah. Bikes can be replaced. Well, this is a very, very good entry on this trade. Come on, come on, give it to me, give it to me.
Order
Bent the
canceled.
front wheel.
There we go. Just bent my front wheel. Okay, not so bad.
Question is, was he doing wheelies and stuff? Or was it the soft sand?
Is that a biker thing or a motorcycle thing, soft sand? A reference that I don't get?
It's not a reference. It's soft sand.
Oh, okay. Like slipping on the sand.
Yeah. That's one of the things I worry about the most.
That's a good day, no? Shouldn't I quit?
I think you got some panel up or something on your screen.
Yeah, when I check the volume, it opens it up and it doesn't close it. Yeah.
Yeah, soft sand and gravel. That's what I worry about. A lot of people pull out of some place and wind up spinning out and losing control.
Butters. Today you came in on the day when I'm playing the memes for everyone that shows up. So, oh yeah, there you go. I'm doing it once a week. Accounts. Welcome, Butters. There you go. I'm saying that's a good day. I'm not sure if I should continue trading. I got my Apex. My Apex now is $46 away from passing. Take profit is $700, kind of $740 from passing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 500 something. I don't know. We rode all night to sundown to sun up. Wow.
You get rider fatigue.
Wow.
Sounds like rider fatigue.
Mm-hmm.
Riding a bike all day, it takes a lot out of you.
Yeah, you told me.
It does me. And I'm not even doing wheelies and stuff. Just there trying not to fall over.
I was going to get a short here on topstep, but you know what? I think I'm going to call it a day. I think maybe I'll just trade Bullinox. I'm kind of happy with these results. I'll come in fresh tomorrow. I'm not at the top of my game again. Still trading a little bit undisciplined, or a lot of bit undisciplined. Oh shit, it's a good price though to get. Let me try and get 75. Ooh, I'm gonna get better than 75. I will take it. Topstep is short at 70. That means 63 is a high probability event. 163. Doesn't mean it'll happen. But I'm short at 77. So I got a 14-point take profit. with a 7-point stop loss, not even a 6-point stop loss. That's very nice. Okay. That was a cool trade. Nice little scalp. Wow, I can do it again. Join the ask. There we go. Now I'm short at 80. I'll cover again. That's a quick $108.
Sweet.
Yeah. I'll take it. Playing the vibrations in between before it gets stopped out or takes profit. It's short at 70, so I know there's a 70% chance of 63 being hit. Price goes up to 80. My stop's at 84. I'm risking 4 points. I took it. Why not?
Do have that crude oil at 1030. I don't think it'll affect us much, but
it never vibrates them. It never makes an effect in the market. You never see a bounce or a pop or a dump on that. We watched it a couple times already. Guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't already hit the like and subscribe button, make sure you do. Omnis and I trade price action. We have similar entries, but different systems. Both of them are pretty simple. I use a combination of the Renko bars, which filters out time and just shows price action.
I'll just flip a coin.
We do that too.
That was a joke. I mean, it wasn't a joke, but it was a joke at the same time.
He's saying you're saying it's a joke, but right at that moment, Nightbot just did Bullinox account 49, 50K account, coin flip strategy. You know where it shows the results?
Yeah.
August 5, day 8. Today's August 6, day 9. Hey, cool. And in the end, topstep trade lost. If you hear me referencing the topstep trade, wow, that's loud. If you hear me referencing yeah, that's the initial balance being set. If you hear me referencing the topstep trade, it's pretty much the same as the Renko on Ninja. Just the way topstep calculates its Renko bars, it's much more stable. I have more confidence in the topstep entries than I do in the...
Trying to see if I can get into a short, but
really?
at the same time, we're at the 5-minute moving average, so
I have a bit of a problem.
Could go up.
My TP is
Jose in a NAS 100 buy. So Jose's saying buy.
Yeah, me too. You're the only one. And I just
finished y'all's kind of late, right? You're like,
no, I'm waiting for a pullback.
Oh,
I want it to come down to like 23,190.
We are breaking a trend line. I could see a buy, especially on the 5-minute. 5-minute was like a great buy.
Inside bar.
Yeah, just printed. But I mean, coming off of the moving average.
Yeah. I have them there. You got me to put them up, but I made them as bands.
Coming off the moving average and the momentum average at the same time.
I got to pull back. What am I going to take? I'm going to take it in Bullinox. I'm not going to touch those accounts anymore. Let's see if we get a bullish candle. If we get a bullish candle on the Renko charts, I'm going to go long. I have one more candle to form. If it goes bearish, I'm not taking the trade.
Looks like I might get a sell signal too.
Yeah, it could be. It's, I should enter. The stop is really close here. You see, I should have entered.
Could go either way. I think if I print a bullish candle, yeah, it was kind of bullish. Or we could look to get above this 5-minute candle. Jose says I'm in the... Come on, Nightbot, get out of the way. Jose says I'm in the 5-minute buy TP1, top of the orb, then break even.
I screwed that up. I had it. I had it in my sights.
All right, that's it. Let's jump in.
Short or long?
Long. That's going to give the pullback. No. It's always the hardest part, right? Just finding a spot where you can get in that won't hit your stop loss.
I noticed you require just a little bit more stretch than I do when we enter.
Well, I would consider this to be a counter trend trade on the 2 minute. 5 minutes a great trend trade.
Yeah.
But the 2 minutes giving a different story.
I have mixed signals, so.
But I do like that we broke this trend line, pushed up, came back. We even retested the trend line and the VWAP. That would have been the best spot to get in right there. That wouldn't have took any drawdown at all.
Well, NQ is relatively stronger than ES, that's for sure. ES is broke. I mean, I'm judging it based on the London session lows. Looks like we broke him on ES, but we didn't break him on NQ. Quite far away from them.
Yeah, it stopped out.
ES is
womp.
Yeah, I got it short now. ES is way below VWAP. NQ is at VWAP.
I don't think I want to play the other side of the trade. I think it's take a few minutes.
$84.7 is 91. I should have sold.
Assume Jose takes bigger stop losses, bigger profit. So I would assume that his would be in at the bottom or something. I don't know exactly where he got in, but something like that. 2-1. I was watching your trade the other day. Was it Saturday? Friday? I think it was Friday. You're streaming live a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
It was actually a similar trade to this right here, if I remember correctly. I think it was kind of, I can't really remember. I was doing a bunch of other things. I was riding home from where we was at, and I was going through the forest, so it kept cutting in and out.
Benstons just wrote he got stopped out for less profit than he could have taken. Did you see the title of my short that I posted this morning?
Who posted what?
I posted a short. Did you see the title?
What'd you say before that?
Oh,
no, I didn't see it.
Butters wrote that he had an awesome entry on ES and he got stopped out for less profit than he could have taken. Remember yesterday I told you to take a partial and then it reversed on you?
Yeah.
So the title of my short is Omnius took a partial, the market took the rest.
Yeah. That's why I don't like partials. I don't know. I think it's great for like if you're going for the bigger profits and the bigger stop loss.
Yeah.
And of course, if you're 20, 30 points in profit, you want to take something, especially if you got intraday drawdown. But for me, I'm looking for 20 points. And a lot of times now I'm getting out at, 15, somewhere around there.
Yeah.
So to me, I don't think taking partials makes sense.
I'm going to try and show you my Renko system, and maybe I'm going to get you to put it up on your chart. And you'll trade a 2-lot, maybe just on sim in the beginning. You take a partial. I'll even give you the ATM that I use where it takes a partial and runs.
One more try.
He's not listening to me. I'll say it again. I'm going to try and get you to trade my Renko system. The longer term one, the one that goes for doubles and triples. Takes a partial and then lets it run. You should be going for minimum 50 points. Yesterday, it hit 100-pointer.
What? I'm sorry. Are you still talking? I think you're muted.
No. I'm going to try and get you to...
Talking about the chart or the indicator?
No,
What is
Renko
he talking?
charts. We're gonna put up Renko charts one day. Next
I
week.
know.
Next week.
I'm just messing with you.
I think because you hold better than me, so I think you'll be able to. You'll catch some good trades.
Jose moved to break even. Great trade, Jose.
Yeah, let me just tell you, the last short was at 218, and it went all the way down to 166. What's that? That's 30, 40. That's 50 points. Just take a simple bounce.
See, if we would have had a bigger stop and held like Jose, we're making money right now.
Yep.
Stop would be at the bottom of the open range. Take profit mid to down here. I guess he got in around there.
See, I should have held this bad boy. Yeah.
Yeah, good trade, Jose. Sweet. Hopefully it goes back up to the top. Sounds like you might be holding for at least one up there, or maybe the gap.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
All right, so what were you saying about your Renko? Didn't I put Renko? I got Renko right there. It was 40-10, I believe.
No, what I was saying is I'm going to set you up with.
Yeah, 40-10. I like Renko. I told you that before. I used to trade Renko.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna work to get you to look at the setup that one of the setups that I trade because it catches good long moves. Honestly,
I mean, theoretically, I could trade the Renko the same way I trade the volume chart. I mean, it gets great moves too.
I was telling my son that I don't think you could lose with it. It's that good.
So actually looking back on the Renko chart, I can see where it gets in earlier. So like this one here, I'd have got in almost 10 points earlier.
Yeah, like me. It's always getting me in a little bit earlier. And I'm not sure.
I feel like it's also got more false signals.
Yeah, no, I'm not getting that. Do you notice that I'm getting more false signals?
I don't know.
I mean, you hear me talk through my trades and call out. Most of the time, we're getting in around the same time.
So you pretty much got a long right now, right?
I did. I had a long. I got out. I did Bullinox. How many counts? I really loaded the boat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 Bullinox accounts. Copy trading.
Dang.
Yeah, and they made 50. They made $44. So what's 44 times 15? 400, $600.
I like money. Oh, Butter says, see, I should have held this bad boy.
Yeah.
Well, thing about that is if we all have to make our trade decisions before the trade, can't make them after.
Wow, you're a buzzkill.
Jose says, letting the rest rock and roll.
Yeah, I'm done, boys. I'm done, boys and girls.
No, what I meant by that was we have to make our trade plan before we get in the trade.
Yeah.
And if it stops us out or something, that's fine. That's the plan. And if we're altering the plan midway, then we don't get to see what our plan does.
Yeah. You know? Yeah. Did you read what he just wrote?
We're doing ourselves a disfavor.
You
Yep.
click.
Worst part is I clicked X on my stop and it still hit.
Mm,
Plan your trade, trade your plan.
yep.
Yeah.
Take your setups. I'm freestyling today. Again, I'm going to say it. I'm lucky I'm not getting hurt. Well, today I'm taking decent size, so I'm okay. But I'm lucky I'm not getting hurt. That's why I don't want to trade the accounts up there.
No, definitely can't be mad about the green trade.
No.
Unfortunately, mine's not as green as yours, so I could be a little mad. But say lovey. Actually, I'm just slightly red. I mean, literally one trade put me back green. Who did it? It was that last trade, wasn't it? Yeah, it was that last trade.
Mm.
I still feel good about the decision to take the trade. It did go. It worked great. Just stopped me out first.
Oh, that was a little bit of a dump.
I don't mind the trade stopping me out first because having tight stops is what allows me to take one or two winning trades and be back green on the day. And that's the way I like to trade.
Okay, let's get up to 54 bid.
You win again?
I am, but I'm early. I want to get up to 54 bid because that's where the entry would be, the official entry. So I need it, and then it means it's going to 61. There we go. We got the 54 bid. So we're going to 61. Well, with a 70%.
What size Renko are you using? The 4010?
No, 7-point bars on topstep.
So there's the
It's 2010.
signal.
It's 2010 for the band bounce. It's 2010. It's Ninja Renko. It's the half Renkos, the mid Renkos.
Yeah, that's what I got in Renko.
Yeah, but I'm using full Renko on topstep. That's where I get my
2010. That's gonna
2010. Yeah.
You get a lot of signals on that.
No, because it's only a band bounce. See, we only got one right here. Right there, band bounce. If you can see my chart, wait for my stream to catch up. Right there, it's got to go into the band.
Oh, I don't have the bands.
Put them on.
Yeah, let me change it to a 2010.
I'll give you the band settings. It's MA envelopes. 0.01 for the percent, and 55.
Oh God, this has got all kinds of signals.
Yeah, your way, not my way.
Wait, I just had a red and then a green. Why you didn't?
I don't know.
You sure yours is 2010?
Yeah, can you see? Can you hold on? Let me get rid of my account data. Yeah, you can confirm. There you go.
I mean, I believe whatever you're telling me. I'm just asking, are you sure?
Yeah, 2010.
See, well, you had that wick. Mine reversed.
Yeah. Who's your data provider? You're on Bullinox, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm on Apex. So, like I said, I wouldn't use this for active scalping, but for band bounces, you can catch really long moves. And I mean, like, really long moves.
I think I'm going back to my 4010.
It's all the same. No holy grail. 4010, same thing. Put on the bands. You want really, 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 really long moves? Use a 200 MA envelope. A 200 period. I mean, take a look at this move right over here. Can you see we got below the bands over here?
Yeah.
Wait. Okay, let me get my cursor because I'm watching my stream. I know how confusing it is. Got below the bands. On the 200, we went into the bands over here. Let me watch it on the stream. It's going to be about 8 seconds. Went into the bands there. It's very light, the 200 bands. They're not dark. They're very light. That's at 23,230. And the low of this move was 165. So that's 230.65. That's a 70-point move, 65. And now we unfortunately didn't get a return into the band on the break above. That's why I have them both, because I like being a little more active. But if you want to catch bigger moves and have less trades, use 200. You want in between, use 100. And if you want to be a little more active, use the 50. I think the 50 is great. You can catch really good trades. And the first balance is
the black's the 200.
No, the dark one is the 50. It's the fast one. Here, let me make this one a little bit darker. You'll see it.
That's the only one I see is the black.
Ah, okay. Let me the 200.
Jose, I think that's it for me. Did you get to take profit? I think you were looking for the initial balance high, but maybe you took it a little early. I know you said you took partials already. Yeah, out full take profit. Great job, man. That was an awesome trade. Yeah, I agree with that. Nothing worse than seeing so much profit and then having it come right back against you.
Yeah, that's why I always get out early. That's my poison.
Yeah, that's my poison. I think we got to know ourselves. Like,
yeah,
to me, that's the kind of things that would trigger me and just ruin everything.
There's some people who get triggered by missed profit by getting out early. You know,
right.
Look where it went. That gets under their skin. For me, I don't care where it went. What gets me is when I have a decent sized profit and it goes away, and sometimes it even turns into a loss because I didn't get a chance to move my stop to break even. It didn't go,
Well, one of the things I also don't agree with is when they say no one ever went broke taking profit early. I don't agree with that because if you're taking profit too early, you're kind of
too soon. Yeah, you'll kill yourself.
You're stealing from yourself.
Yeah, you can't. Too soon is no good.
You have to make the profit on the winning trades in order to handle the losing trade. If you get into every trade and you're just wanting to jump at the profit, then you take a loss. You're taking the full loss. Then you can't handle it.
You can't handle the truth. What movie's that from?
You can't handle the truth.
You know that line? Good old Jack.
I remember it, but I don't remember where it came from. Jack Nicholson?
Jack Nicholson, yeah. Shit, how can I not remember the name of the movie?
Yeah, I like Jack Nicholson. Yeah, a lot of those good actors like that, they just ain't doing much anymore.
Well, we got Tom Cruise. I'm a big Tom Cruise fan. I wouldn't put him up there with Al Pacino and Nicholson, but the other guy too, Nicolas Cage.
I like Nicolas Cage in more of his early career. I don't know.
Yeah.
Like, a lot of stuff he's been doing, like, lately, I don't know, say lately, but it's been years. It's just kind of been stale.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
A lot of those other guys too, like I think you were saying, like Jack Black and people like that. And a lot of what they've been doing lately is just kind of been stale. It's like,
yeah.
Nicolas Cage, he was great back in like Face Off and movies like back then.
Yeah. And two other actors I don't like. The bald guy. What's his name? Jason Statham. I don't know. For me, Jason Statham is just he's like Jean-Claude Van Damme. He's not I don't see him as an action hero. I never saw Jean-Claude Van Damme as an action hero. I don't know. I'm not my boys love him. I don't like him. And then there's that other guy. He's an older guy.
There was always that story with Jean Claude when he was always acting like he was tough, and then he got beat up by one of the guys.
Oh yeah,
one of the crew members. They're like you're not even a real fighter. You're a ballerina.
Maybe he got sucker punched.
Yeah, over and over and over and over again. When you play an action star so much, you start believing you are one.
Well, he did have martial arts skills.
Then the crew's got to put you back in your place. I mean, he was a good actor and a good ballerina.
Don't let him hear you say that.
What's he going to do, beat me up?
I'm sure he could take us. Even combined. Come on, don't give me 2 2s. I'm short in my Bullinox. In one Bullinox account, I stopped. Yeah.
Wait, you're 2-2 and in Bullinox?
Oh yeah, I got my 2-2. 2-bar moves. Oh, you can see it on the see how different it is? On the 2010, it's 3 bars and 2 bars. But over here on my Bullinox, I got a 2-bar and a 2-bar. For the shorts, I'm just scalping a little bit, you know, keeping myself entertained on an eval that just got renewed. But if it goes over the bands, I'll have to get out. I'm hoping we stall. Probably got 1 or 2 more bars here. Might as well add because the stop loss is.
So who was the older guy you were talking about?
You know, he played in that movie there. You know, like they stole his daughter, and he goes and finds her, and.
Oh yeah, I know who you're talking about. He's played in a bunch of movies.
Yeah, I cringe when I see him because you can see he walks like you can see he walks with pain and arthritis, and like, you know, you can see they're really doing a hard job to make, you know, they're working hard to make it look like he's able to fight and he's limber, but I don't know.
I think they just like the way he sounds.
Yeah, I see the stiffness in his body.
He's got the sound for the tough guy.
Yeah, he does. He does have the voice for that. It's funny I don't remember his name. He's a popular guy.
I'm terrible with names.
He did very well.
My own.
He did very well for himself in those action movies. Got a lot of roles.
Mm-hmm. Bush. Let's do it. Why not? You ever get into a trade and then you find your reason for why not? It happens.
Yes, very often.
It happens.
That's every trade I chase. every chase trade.
All right, take it. I'm out. Not exactly the big green that I wanted, but it's close enough.
Okay. Got to get a little more organized. If you chase, you're a jackass. Let the trade come to you. That's what Nightbot just wrote on my screen.
So I'm going to play the donkey then.
Yeah, today is meme day. I agree. If you chase, you're a jackass. Wait, you chased? I chased.
No, I didn't chase. I took it exactly how I should have. I just found the reason not to be in the trade after I took it.
Okay.
But the trade worked out great. I could have held. Could have.
Yeah, it did.
Then if it would have went against me, I'd be mad because I'd be like, well, you shouldn't have been in the trade. So it's like, in the end, you have to be able to justify the trade, right?
Yeah, I cut a nice piece of that.
I think the The win and the loss, the points, the money, I think all that's kind of secondary.
Mm,
First thing we got to do is be able to justify the trade.
yeah.
Because if
So
we can't justify it, then when we lose, we go on tilt.
Did you put a band on your Renko chart? The
What
MA
band?
envelope? The MA envelope, like I told you? Go put up an MA envelope. Here, I'm going to give you the settings. You're going to see it right there.
Do I have an MA envelope?
You can see the setting on my my chart. Of course you do. 0.01 EMA 200. And don't put the mid band. You don't need the middle one, just the upper and the lower.
That's what it's called, MA envelope?
Yep.
Let's go take a look.
So you choose 0.01. Your moving average type is exponential. And the period 200.
I feel like I put that on before, didn't I?
No, I don't think so. You were saying you didn't see it on my screen, so.
We talked over something before. Okay. Envelope percentage is
0.01.
EMA.
200
period,
for the period.
200, right?
Yeah, look how well it holds price.
And you said no middle band.
You want to catch long trades? You want to swing for the fences? This is the one. This is the indicator you want on a Renko chart. And I'm sure it works just as good with your 40-10 as it does with 20-10. But if it doesn't, try 40-20. But 40-10 is 50. What do you 40-10? 40? You need 70. I need 30. Yeah, I know you're a little bit latent. You're a little bit slower.
Are you calling me slow?
Take a look at it with 20-10 before you look. Compare it with 40-10 and 20-10. 20-10 is better, much better. I'm certain of it. I'm going to switch to 40. Let me see. When did we go short? When did we go long? We kind of crossed at 10:35. We're going to see where 40-10 crosses. 40-10 probably crossed quite a bit after that.
Yeah, I like it, but if I took every signal.
No, the first one. Yeah, no, 40-10 is.
This one would be a loss. This one came down to the VWAP. We'd take that too, right? No.
No.
Okay, let's just do the band. So the first one would be a loss. The second one would be a winner.
You're on 40-10 or 20-10?
40-10.
Yeah, forget your 40-10. It's too slow. You can't do 40-10.
One loss, one win, 2 wins, 3 wins, 2 losses. That one at least be a break even. So we got, let's not count that one, at least be a break even. So what was that, 5 wins, 2 losses?
Yeah, but you're not really listening to how I told you to use it. You just use the first entry and then let it run. Take a partial where you're calling it a winner and then let it go. Let it go and try to get 40, 50, 60, 70 points as good as you are. So
you're saying when it breaks through the bands, you take the first entry and then hold.
It has to break through the bands, full bar. Then it has to retrace into the band, touch the band, and then form a continuation bar. And you enter on that continuation bar.
All right. I'll be back in a minute.
See, you know what? I just got them all excited. Just got to go pee. Skeletor, I think that's what you're testing, eh? Yeah. The band bounce, if I'm not mistaken, what you're writing in, or is that Ruan? Oh, it's Skeletor. Where's Discord? Ruan was looking at those things, but Renko Rabbit Hole, yeah. Skeletor. It was Ruan that was asking for the settings, and Skeletor, day 2 of testing, 9:30 to 10 a.m. only. I'm not sure what system you're testing. Yeah, I have no idea what you're testing because I only gave the settings. I didn't talk about the band bounce. Yes, you sent it on Discord. Yeah, and Skeletor did some testing. I put this all together because the competition. Mike was getting big hits, and I was trying to find ways to also, just let the trades run. And this was the best. This was the best that I got. I said I'm going to be very, very selective and really just take the A+ entries. The ones with the least amount of risk. You know, I'm not going to take all the changes of the direction, all the retraces and continuations, just the ones that touch the band. Actually, the best trade, you got to wait for the touch of the lower band to go long. That really gives you low risk because your stop is a break of the band on the other side. So you're so close to it already. You know,
What are you
like
talking about?
I was saying that the best trade is, let's say for long, you need to touch the lower band, not the upper band. Let me just let you know, on 2010, if you touch the upper band and then you get in on a continuation bar, your stop is about 17 points. If you touch the lower band and then you get a continuation bar, your stop is only 10 points. So if you catch a 60-pointer or a 50-pointer, that's 5-1. And there's a lot of them. I mean, just look over here. This was the first touch of the lower band. Your entry is at...
So you're telling me to put it at 2010?
2010, yeah, 234. Now we're at 290. There's a 60-pointer. And this was late. Sometimes
seem a bit noisy.
Well, you can't make decisions like that. You just got to take them. You're going to catch them. Look back. Just look back. Go right all the way to 930. Look at them all. Well,
all right, let's do it. We ain't got nothing better to do. All right, yeah, the 930.
At 930. Okay, well, just a little bit below. We broke below. Just before 930.
All right, hold on. I'm going to put you over here. Hey, that might be a way to put your... Look at that. I just found out how to play your stream on my stream. Super easy.
You can do that because there's no...
all of my charts covering your chart. How do I turn my...
I have no music. You got to put me on top of yours.
It's all right. You're muted anyways. Where is my chart? This one. There we go. All right.
There we go. Okay, so we got the break below the band. So let me change my arrow. Got the break below the bands. You know what? Let me get rid of these so nobody gets confused. Let me get the 50s. We'll unvisible them. And these will make a little bit darker so people can see it.
That worked out pretty good. I just changed it to the other side. It's a good way to play your stream.
Okay.
Actually, if I turn off your chat, probably even work better.
There, now you guys should be able to see it really nice and clear. No interference with anything else. So this is before 930, so it's irrelevant, but we broke below. We're looking for a short. We traced into the bands, but no continuation bar. Now we're long. But when we touch the bands, right?
What?
We did.
Did you start at 930? Go back to 930.
Sure, 930, right here, where the gray starts.
Yours is different than mine. Wait, that's not 930.
Wave to Butter's daughter. What do you mean it's not 930? It's right there, 930. You don't see it on the screen? Hello, Butter's daughter.
I'm waving, but there's a delay, so if it seems like I'm waving weird, it takes 8 seconds to see it. All right. Your 930 and my 930 look completely different.
Cannot be. Impossible. You're making a mistake. Should have named her Marge.
You're not. Your band's not at 930. It's at 931.
What? The band? The band is the band. This is the band.
The gray area.
Well, who cares? Okay, you want to know exactly 930? Well, remember, Ninja is late, so 930, that's 29, that's 30. So right there.
Yeah. That's the way I got it.
You're not taking a trade at 930.07, and you didn't touch the lower band. There's space there if I open it up. So you failed on both. You failed on both.
Mine. So on mine, the 930, 30 seconds would have been a short trade.
No, you got it. Okay, well, we'll cover the rules.
So once again, you have a wick, but I have a flip over. Why is that? Oh, I know what it is. What is your what's your days? I got 5 days. What do you got for days?
3.
3? Let's change
Days.
that.
Short for Marge. Short for Marjorie, by the way, not margarine. And I actually read it short for migraine.
What?
When my eye just caught it, I saw migraine, but then I said, okay, margarine.
His daughter's name is Margie.
Margie.
Short for. Yeah, how do you spell? What do you call that?
What do I call what?
Margarine.
Margarine. You guys have margarine in the U.S., don't you? That's fake
butter. So it's butter and margarine?
No, I use margarine. I don't use butter.
All right, now mine looks more like yours. Isn't that weird how Ninja Trader changes the candles depending on how many days you got?
Yeah, it is strange.
I was going to tell you on my 2-minute chart. I think I was trying to tell you yesterday, but wasn't able. So when I change the days, it changes the 2-minute chart candles. I was like, how does that happen? 2 minutes is 2 minutes, right?
Okay, let's go over the rules. You know, like when you're learning a new game. Hey, Butters is in the public chat. You want to go in the public chat?
We can, yeah.
Okay.
You can go over straight. Hello.
Oh, I'm the first one in. I was racing Omnius.
I was the first one in. You were the first one with the camera.
No. I was the first one with everything. It just looked like you were the first one on the. You're such a baby.
You're such a baby.
He's such a baby, eh, Butters? Let's see if that works.
Look at me. I was first. Look at me. I was first. Fine. You can be first.
Public,
I was the first one there.
Hold on. My thing's not working.
That's your problem.
Yeah, it's because I think the name changed.
If your thing ain't working, they got pills for that. That's up to you.
That's up
you
to
and your wife can talk about it. Make sure you have a good heart, I guess.
Hold on, it's weird. Why isn't it showing up?
I don't hear Butters. Butters, you talking to us or not?
Okay, we're gone. I can't get the camera to work.
What camera? Your camera is working.
No, it's black. Oh, on the on my stream, it's not picking up the feed.
You got to switch over to public.
I did. Cam Discord, public. Let me see the name of the room. Maybe the room. I changed the name of the room. It's live on stream public. Okay, so let me cancel. Yeah, it's different. Oh, wait, let's see.
Yo, butter, butter, butter. Yo, butter, butter, butter.
Really? I'm going to have to reset it? I don't want to do that.
You got to switch it over to the public.
Yeah, it's not showing up as a choice. Okay, so let me delete it and do another cam capture. Are you sure, Cam? You wish to remove it? Yes, goodbye.
Don't you have a separate one for the public?
Window. I did, but it's not even showing it anymore. It's just as if fuck off, cancel, edit, undo. I know what the problem is. Oh, look at that.
What did you see all that?
When I do undo, it runs through all my memes for some strange reason. Go figure, eh?
I mean, it looked kind of cool.
This is why
it sounded like.
This is why I'm not picking it up. I didn't put the camera out there. Hold on. So now let me get it. Oh, 2. No, still not getting it. Maybe now it'll pick it up though. There we go. 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 1, 2, 3. And it should be picking up the whole screen. Gets longer, gets wider, smaller. You see how I pick up the whole screen? It's one shot. It's not individual camera captures like you do. You capture each box separately. I just capture the whole window. So if someone else comes in now and there's going to be 4 smaller ones, it'll automatically resize on my thing. So
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'll show you. Not today, but I'll show you. It's never today. It's always tomorrow.
Yeah, look at mine. What are you talking about? It's capturing the whole thing.
Okay, let me let's see what happens on your stream now. Okay, so that's how you should do it with but your Omnius is backwards.
That's your fault. I can't help that.
No, on your stream.
On your stream, it's right.
Yeah, I know. Because I know what to do. What did I do there? Hold on. Let me put it. Okay, let's go over the rules. Probably missing
Where was
a whole
the
bunch.
inverse? I don't know. I forget. Oh, yours is backwards too.
No, it's not. Oh,
wait,
not on mine. Yeah, so you got to inverse your. You got to go to.
Yeah, I forget where it was at.
Transform.
Transform.
The flip.
Flip horizontal. Oh, look at that. Man, we're getting good at this.
We are?
Oh, need a pay raise. Are you pointing at yourself?
No, I'm pointing at the charts. I wanted to see what it's going to look like on your screen. When I'm looking at
it look like you pointing at you.
Oh, yes, true. Hey, there I am. That's me. Look, Ma. Okay, you watching? You ready?
These dang kids.
Hey, you watching? You ready?
Hey?
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 Huh?
Hey?
We got
what's my chart doing? Absolutely nothing. Okay.
Full bar below the band. Let's start
Where's
over there.
That 930 or your 931?
Doesn't matter. Full bar below the band. You opened up your charts, you got a full bar below the band, a new full bar below the band, and you want to see air. If you have to expand it and squint and look, don't count it. You want to see space between the band and the bar.
Looks different than yours. Go to the next one.
Yeah, right here. Your first full bar. Doesn't matter which one it is. Your first full bar below the bands, below the lower band, at around 9. Okay, well, now your bias is short, but you're not taking a short. You only got your bias.
Okay.
That's kind of like your pre-setup. It's not your trigger. Now, in order to trigger a trade, you got to go all the way up to the farther band. So in this case, it's the upper band. You got to touch it and cross it. You got to be able to see that you did. I mean, you know, if we touch it, I'll take it also. So let's go with touch it. If you touch the farther band, and then you get a continuation candle, you go short on the continuation candle. In this case, coin flip. In this case, we didn't get a continuation candle. We just went, and now we're bullish bias. Correct?
Yeah, I'm just looking at how different your chart looks than mine.
It shouldn't. We'll go over that. But anyways, let's just go over the rules. Yours will still perform the same way, though. Now we're bullish. We want a touch of the lower band. There we go. We touch the lower band, but it just breaks right through. We're not taking any long trade. Now we're short.
So you're not counting the break above it?
Where's the break above it? We touched the lower band here.
931.
No, I'm at 936 already. You're not watching my watch my stream only.
All right, back up 931.
Okay. And I'm going to watch my stream so you don't get confused, because I know how confusing it is when you see the image, but it's late. Okay, so.
All right, the 931 broke above. That's where you got the gray bar. The gray...
Perfect. Right there.
Background. Yeah.
Let me watch it on my stream.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. I can see it. Okay, so, yeah, right there. Now you should see it also on the stream. Bullish bias. Bullish bias. But we got to touch the lower band in order to trigger a trade. The only time we touch the lower band is over here. Let it catch up to the stream. There, right there. We're touching the lower band. See? On my stream?
Eh?
Hey, but you need a continuation bar. You didn't get one. It just went, and now it flipped you to short bias without a long trade. Because you didn't get an up bar. You didn't get a bullish bar. You didn't get a bullish candle.
Eh?
Capiche? So now we're bearish bias. We want to touch the upper band and then get a continuation bar lower. There you go. You got it right there. We touched the upper band. We got the continuation bar. I'll wait for it to catch up on the stream. There it is on my
So what
stream.
about the one before?
No, it didn't touch the upper band.
So it hasn't touched the upper band.
Yeah, because the upper band will be a 10-point stop loss. This is a 17-point stop loss. This is better. This is the A plus trade. This is a B trade because you're risking a lot more. So we're short at 23,180 approximately.
I got 23,178.
Okay, 23,178. Take a partial at about 10 points. Now it's a break-even trade. Take a 2 micros. Now it's a break-even trade because and now you got to decide when you want to take profit. I'm telling you, 200 is a good target. 200 ticks, 50 points, 40, 50 points is a really good target.
Mm-hmm.
So retest on the bar above for a short. Yeah, that's it. Think of it as a retest. That's a good word, Ruan. It's kind of like a retest. You got to touch the upper bar, the farthest bar, and then you get your continuation bar, you enter. Take partial. Because you're doing that, your risk is about 10 points. Don't kill me if it's 13 points, but it's about 10 points. Take a partial for a half at about 10, 12, 13 points. I go for 4 or 5 bars, so that's 40 or 50 ticks, which is 10 to 12 points. And then go for 20 bars. 20 bars, each one is worth 10 ticks. That's 200 ticks. 200 ticks is 50 points. So 50 points at 78, you want to get out at 23,128. In this case, you didn't get it. So you cover on the full bar here. You lost 7, 8 points. Now we're looking for a touch of the bottom bar.
Wait, I missed something. Go back. You're talking about the...
You're short here.
943?
You're short right there at 938, yeah.
Right.
You take a partial, and then now the other one you're running for about 40 to 50 points.
I found out I was painting my bars, so I had to fix that real quick.
Okay. Or you can take a 3-lot. I like a 3-lot. Taking a piece at 10, taking a piece at 20, and then taking a piece at 40. I like that a lot.
So now
also.
we come to the 943.
Yeah. Approximately, yeah. Oh, you don't take that trade. You take the first one only. No, it's TBM. It's TBM. It's the big move. You're only going for the first one. You don't take the second. You don't take the third. You don't take the fourth. You just take the first retest.
Okay, so...
That's it. It's over. You get stopped out here on your piece, whatever you're holding.
Okay.
It's the body only, not the wicks. Oh, the body only. This body is easily verified that it's above the bands. Now your bias is bullish. We want to retest and a continuation off the bottom band. So no, that one's no good. It's the upper band. No good. We don't touch. If you open it up, you can see you don't touch. You don't touch. Here we touch. And we get the continuation. So you would get in. That's a losing trade. You would get in. You'd go long at 94 and you stop out at 84.
You're saying the one before it wouldn't be an entry?
No, because it didn't touch the bottom band.
It came really close.
It came really close, but this isn't horseshoes. It's not it hasn't triggered. You missed it by a point. Too bad for you. If you want the A++ setup, you need to go through because it's going to limit your risk. You see, this one went through, but it never went fully below the band. So you're going long over here at, like I said, at 94 and you get stopped out at 84. Beautiful. That's a 10-point stop. I love it. Now we're looking over here. We touch, but we don't go short because it never continued lower.
Hold on, resetting my time. We got 952.
Yeah. We just broke right through it. There's no trade there.
So what about your 951? You took that?
You took that long.
Short.
Long.
I'm asking about the short.
There's no short.
951? Your pressure's on it.
No. Yeah, hold on. You're above. You're looking for a long. You come down.
No. Hold
You
on.
touch
Pause. You break down below the bands, right?
here.
Right there, yes.
Wait for it to catch up on my stream. Hold on. It's not there yet. I'm watching my stream. There it is. Now we're on my stream. It's now my cursor is below the bands, right?
Right.
Okay. So what do? We go up. We touch the upper band.
Didn't we do that at 9:51?
No, it's not. It has to be a bullish candle. It's not a wick.
It is.
No, this bullish candle didn't touch the upper band, and we didn't break below yet. This is the bar that broke below.
What? On my chart, it broke below, so it's kind of similar to your chart. But then on the push up, it gives a bullish candle, where yours gives a wick. And the bullish candle pushes up, touches the top band.
But did the candle before that, was it a full candle below the bars, below the bands?
Yeah.
Can you see space?
Yeah.
Okay, well you're presenting differently than mine. Quite a bit differently, actually. That's really strange.
Let me see if I can put that on screen. Don't want to do it today. My charts work when they want to. It's okay. Try it again. Really not gonna work? Okay. It's not even the right chart anyways. Okay. My chart don't want to work. But yes, I have a full candle below, and then 2 candles pushing up, and then crosses wick, and then pushes down. It would have been a winning trade. All right, but if you don't have it, we'll skip it. Go on to the next one.
Yeah, so the next one is...
Ruin, I am using Ninja. We're using the same charts. They're just not displaying the same.
Standard rank only blocks, no wicks. The next one, well, really tight. If you're going to be a stickler and open it up, I have space, so you're not taking this long over here, and you're not taking a short. So the next time you're really, oops, let me tighten this up. So that's not a long or a short.
I don't know. So that's at the
955.
955. Why would you not take the long?
Because if you really expand it, no, theoretically, if you coded this, it wouldn't take the long. I would take the long because it's so, I love when my stops are close, and this is so on the line that I would take it because I know my stop is only going to be 10 points.
So once again, on my chart, there's not a gap in between the down candle and the up candle. The band, I mean. There's not a gap between the down candle and the band.
So you would get a long, you're telling me?
I would think so.
If you coded it officially, like if you coded it, you'd get a long. Okay. I would take it anyways. But anyways, that's it. You go there, we look again. Here's a touch, you're long. You get stopped out, but you take a partial. This is short, nothing. Now you're looking for a long. We go all the way down to 1014. We just go right through it. Iffy, I would take it. I don't know about you, because we did touch, but I mean, theoretically, 1015.
1015?
Yeah.
I was trying to change my line.
To be honest with you, depending...
Huh?
I said, to be honest with you, depending on my bias, I even take the ones that touch the lower band.
What do you have your lines as? Can you click on that, check what the line is?
This here, the bands?
Yeah. It's not a dash. It's not a...
Oh, dots. I put it at dots. 4. Yeah, because it's my secondary one. I actually trade the 55 because I like it faster. But I'm saying,
you have it solid dots or dots?
Oh, that's what you mean. Dot, dash style is dot, plot style is line. I don't think it should make a difference, though.
No, I just...
Oh, here's a little bit of the difference. Displacement 1.
Displacement 1? Okay.
Yeah. That's why you're a little bit off for me. I move it forward.
Where? I don't see displacement. Okay, displacement 1.
I forgot about that. Yeah,
why do you displace?
Because when you're right at the end of your chart, I still want my bands. I want my bands under the current bar. If you don't displace it, it's going to be on the previous bar. You're not going to have any data underneath your bar that's currently moving up and down.
Okay.
Yeah. So anyways, there you go.
So what about the 10-15?
10-15, you're going to
pushing, but no real pullback.
You're going to make me go through them all, right? 10-15, I would take that short. I'm sure I did.
Okay, so it pushes up.
Your stop on that's probably about 15 points. You should always fight for a good entry. Yeah, that's the thing. That's what I'm saying. And fewer. That's absolutely. Ruan. Standard rank only blocks. What Nightbot says, absolutely. Fight for price. The best trade with the lowest risk is the touch of the farther band, but I trade them all because it works well. You know, your risk is still small. I mean, 17 points. What I do actually is when I enter early, like just a touch of the lower band, I'll take another trade if it touches the upper band, and I'll average my price. And
it's weird how different our charts are.
Still, even with the displacement.
Yeah, I was going to ask you about the 10-14 where it pushes up and it kind of wicks the top band. Would that be a trade? But on yours, it doesn't do that.
It's close enough. Like I said, I even take the lower one. So yeah, I get something like that, I'm jumping on it.
All right, so then our next one would be what, the 10-18, 10-19?
No. Well, if you want to be an active scalper, but if you want to go for
oh, okay, so you're saying only once.
If you want to go for the big move, you're just holding this, and you're going for 50 points. On this case, you got it. So you take your 50 points on your trailer.
Okay.
And then your next trade is you're waiting for a long now, and it comes at 10.52, and you got your 50 points.
Wait, what about
your next trade has to be long?
Yeah, what about the 10.35? That's not a trade?
Well, well, look at my chart. We never got above. Hold on, wait till the thing goes. Let me open it up here.
Your band is an EMA, right?
Yeah. So the only time we got above is here. A full bar above. Not just touch above, not just go above. You got to have a full bar above to change your bias. That's where my cursor is right now. A full bar, not the wick, just the body. But I want to see a whole body with space between the band. I want to clearly see it without squinting my eyes or opening up the chart. I want good confirmation. Then we're long. No, we're looking for longs now.
Looking for long, right?
In all the wrong places. And then the next one is 10.52, I think I said. Where we touched yeah, we touched the bottom band. You take your 10 points and you get your 50. And I think that's it for now.
Mm-hmm.
And if you want to hold for 100, hold for 100. I like 50. Like I said, I like 10, 20, 40. My favorite is to take a 3-lot, get one piece out at 10, get one piece out at 20, and get one piece out at 40. That's my favorite because I'm an active scalper.
So if you're in a trade, not saying if we're not in a trade, but if you are in a trade, why would you not, so say the 10.52, it pushes up, you get in when the candle turns back green, right?
Yep.
So I have 235. So then we push up, you get your 10 points, and then we get a flip, right? So why would you not get in again there for a contract or two and then do another 10 points?
You can, but that's aggressive, and not all the time it's going to work out. So, I mean, nothing works out all the time, but
right.
the more you trade it, the more you're guaranteeing yourself to actually hit a losing trade.
Right.
Because if you keep taking them, eventually you're going to lose. Like over here, where are you going to set your stop? All the way under the band? Because that's what the stop is. So what happens if you get in all the way up here? 75 to get under the band. You're getting out at 30. That's a 45-point stop. And what about a situation like this? Let my chart on my stream catch up. Hold on. Okay, you see my stream where I'm on that 1 bar?
I see it, yes.
Yeah, so you're going to go long there. You're going to go long again over here. And what if it continues lower, you know? Like, nah, you're kind of setting yourself up for... The whole reason why I put this together is to really snipe a low-risk trade with small risk and high potential gain.
Gotcha.
Yeah, and if you go back over the days, I mean, you're going to see nice runs. You look yesterday, you look at my gray box. There's my gray box. Starting at 9:30. Well, the first one was up here a little bit earlier at 9:18, the first short. And it went down quite a bit, and we're looking for a long. You know, you got to use judgment also. Like if you're getting in a long really late after it moved 100, 150 points, I'm not sure if I would recommend taking it. Again, I take them all. There's your short. There's your first short. So you certainly got your 10. Then you had news, so you're going to stay out. That's crazy news. That looks like a long. Take a partial. It zigzags. You know what? I should share my chart with you. Anyways, just go over it and take a look.
I see it.
Yeah. I think it's a great way to trade for just catching long, you know, really good big moves. I was doing it for a while there consistently every day. Joker was watching. I was green every day. $200, $300, $400. And I was trading 1 lots, 2 lots, and 3 lots. You know, depending on how I felt. But I wasn't going higher than that, and I was killing it. I was doing it in Bitcoin, and I was doing it in NQ, and I was doing it a little bit in gold. Not too much in gold. Bitcoin was crushing it. Bitcoin was crushing it. Now Bitcoin we just got a little quieter.
I guess Butters never came back, huh?
But Bitcoin was crushing it. It was really doing good. It was just running forever. Now it's not so good anymore. Anyways, that's it.
Anybody else want to join the live chat? Come in, chat for a few minutes.
You want to do the coin flip? And then I think I'm going to take off because I got stuff to do.
Coin flip. Let's do it.
Let me change share. CC.
Heads.
Heads. That's long. Boom. Buy market. Okay.
Bruin says he'll join for a few minutes if you want. Hang out, talk to us for a few minutes.
Sounds good. I'll stick around.
Bruin, go ahead and join. I mean, it don't have to be half an hour. I mean,
34. Okay. Well, you know what I'm going to try and do? I'm going to try and get in at 30. The system is long at 34. The coin flip, so it's looking for 44 target. I'm going to take it on another account at 30 if I get the opportunity. Maybe I won't. 35, 33, 32, 31. Okay, good enough. 31.50. See, and I am out at 38. There's quick 7 points. That's how I scalp the coin flip strategy.
Wait, I thought it was 10 points.
Nah, but I scalped it on another account because I got about 5 points better, and it shot up by 7 points. Gotcha. Instantly. I took it. What am I going to wait for? You know, it's that's a quick scalp. Yeah, we're going for. I'm going to go back. I'll go back 49. Our take profit is exactly at 44.25.
Okay.
So when I got in at 31, I had about 6 points risk, not 4 points risk. It's good to enter again right there at 30. You could take out 5 points right there. I like it. I think it's a great way to scalp. You know, you define a little bit of a range. A 10 point up, a 10 point down. You're telling me it's 50-50. I'm saying, okay, 50-50. If I can get in better, there we go. Take profit. Ka-ching. That's a take profit. That's another winner. Let me change my stats. What's it under? It's under timers, eh? Yep, timers. They call it timers. This is August 6th, day 9. That was a winner. So we're 11 winners now with 5 losers. And the account is at 5522. Update. Not bad, eh?
I see my bar moving like I'm talking, but I'm not talking. Wondering what's making a move.
I don't hear anything. You know what I wanted to do, though? I wanted to open up my audio channel. I want it open all the time. I don't want it going on and open, closing, open, closing. I don't do that in OBS. I don't know why I'm doing that in Discord.
There's an audio channel in Discord?
Yeah, the audio settings. Remember, we were looking at them yesterday.
Ooh, and
Studio. I'm going to studio mode.
what's the studio mode?
Always
Oh,
on.
for the audio setting.
I think. I'm going to try it.
You just did
check.
something to your audio.
Yeah. I changed it to studio mode. Why, it's no good?
Change it back.
Hi, can you hear me?
I hear you.
All right,
Mike's doing something. Give him 1 second.
no problem.
Okay, I just changed it back. Now we're on voice isolation.
Oh, no, you got quieter. It's still quieter.
Yeah. Weird. I didn't touch anything. Didn't touch any
No.
volumes. Didn't touch any levels. Oh.
Wonder if it reset when you changed it.
Made a change. Let me check my... How you doing today, Ruan? I don't remember...
I'm
were
doing
you
very well, thank you very much. How about you guys?
I'm doing good. Did you get in some trades this morning?
Yeah, Mike, to be quite honest, I've done a few now. I was away for like an hour, but I've been having this what do you call it, Renko chart with your system in the background, and I've
Okay.
been learning quite a lot. It
Yeah.
is, if you follow the rules and you stick to the plan, no early entries. It is extremely profitable.
I think it is. I think it's, like I said.
I've learned a lot adjusting my stuff as well.
Yeah.
It's amazing. It's amazing.
I was telling my son, I think it's pretty much a no-lose system. I mean, of course you're going to have losing days and stuff, but...
Of course, but it's the what you make out of it and what you lose. It's definitely a winning system.
Yeah, if you wait for the bottom band or the farther band to be touched, your risk is very small. As long as you're disciplined for that. And that was the whole point for me, was to take very few trades and risk as little as possible. Now I expanded it because I always do that because I like to take more trades. But originally in the competition that we were doing, I said I need the best setup possible. And the best setup possible is be patient, like Mike Stunts does. He takes 1-2 trades a day. Be patient. Wait for that farther band to be touched.
Exactly.
And then the continuation. Your risk is smaller, your gain is bigger. You can really milk it well if you're good at holding. I'm trying to still get better at holding, but 40-50 points minimum. I don't hear any voice on your stream. Yeah,
I don't either. I don't know why.
Oh, now I hear you.
You hear me, but I don't hear you. I don't know why.
It's there. I'll tell you why.
There.
No, because
it's there.
you need to capture the other channel. You change channels. So now you need to capture the audio from the public channel. You were capturing the audio from the private channel.
Right. That's what I'm saying. It's there. It's just not capturing. I don't know why.
Do it.
Discord public, shows it public.
What I do in that case, delete it and create a new audio.
Public chat room.
Does it say live on stream public chat room? You might you have the old name. I renamed it, remember? The name is now live on stream public chat.
This might be the problem.
Yep. I would say that is
Mike's fault.
Because I renamed it.
Yeah, that's what it was. I knew it was Mike's fault. I said he did something. I know it's his fault.
Yeah, I always tell him how to fix it, and he never says thank you. Instead he blames me.
It's always your fault, Mike.
It's so unfair.
True.
Yeah. All right, we're good now.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, but unfortunately, Bitcoin was like was a cash cow there for a while, and now it's.
Are we buying this? I am.
No, I'm not trading anymore. You're late.
Who's late?
What about
late.
the coin flip?
The coin flip is doing great. There it is. It's look in the Nightbot. It's updated numbers already. Oh no, it didn't update it.
I don't think you ever said if it hit.
Yeah, it did. It hit.
Okay.
11:36. I guess the next one.
How did I miss it today?
I'm sorry, I didn't understand.
Did I miss the coin flip today? So you had it already.
I did it on another computer because I don't have Bullinox on.
Okay. And was it a profitable one?
It was.
Again, my goodness.
But I don't know if you hold on. Let me just find my thing here. I don't know if you heard what I'm doing. I'll take it in the account that's trading the coin flip, right?
Yes.
But then I go to another account, and when the coin flip goes into drawdown by about 5 points, I enter the trade. I scalped it twice today, I think. So if I'm down because we're going for 10-point profit and we're going for 10-point stop loss.
Yes.
So if it goes into drawdown by 5 points, now my stop loss is only 5 points.
Push.
So I keep scalping it like that, and I don't know. So far, I'm doing really well. It goes 5 points against. I enter.
That's great.
I'll take it. Taking my small scalp.
Good job.
Mike, I'm going to be like that one guy and start doing 5-point scalps and be like 100% win rate. Except for that one trade that takes out my entire account.
I
mean, it was a good gimmick though, right? Like, hey, watch this. You can make 100% win rate every day.
Oh, okay, we're here. It's 11:45. Coin flip.
Are we doing it? Coin flip again?
Yeah, let's do it one more time.
So statistically, we've had a few wins in a row, so this one should be a loss.
It should be, but I'm still gonna enter if I can get 5 points better.
Heads again.
Okay.
Might be a winner.
Buy market. I'm going to my other account. We're long at 36. I'm changing accounts. If I can get in at 31, I'm going to buy. I got to get 31. You know what? Let me put in a bid. So I have a bid at 30.75. Let's see if I get filled. This is on my other account. Trying to get 5 points better. I should let it go for 3-1. You know, if I'm getting in 5 points better, that means my take profit is 15 points, not 10 points. And my stop loss is 5 points. I should let it go 3-1. I think almost every time I did it, it went for the 3-1. Maybe in the beginning I lost 1 or 2, I think. I don't remember. Anyways, 36. We're going for 46. I didn't get filled on the extra 40, 41. Looks like we're going. Let me change.
Uh,
That's it. We're out.
Was
We're
that
out.
right?
It's a winner.
Another winner? Man, I'm telling you, I'm selling this coin on eBay. The magic flip coin.
That's another winner. I gotta go change my results. Cancel my order on the other one. Oh well, it's too bad I didn't get filled. Because Ruan was there, I was gonna be motivated to hang on for the 3-1. Didn't get filled.
Now you're changing it to my fault. It's not your fault.
No, not your fault. I was gonna say, I was gonna go for 3-1. I was gonna hold. I was gonna do better. I was gonna try and impress you.
Okay.
He was like, we could blame this on Ruan.
No, I was gonna try and impress him. 12 winners, 5 losses. Update.
Wow.
Sure, there we go.
That means the value of my coin's going up.
Yeah. You should put it on some other bidding. As you said, eBay.
Yeah, I put it on eBay.
Stuff started off with some ridiculous price.
Well, the account is at 50,616 right now.
What I'll say
Exactly, the proof is there.
I'll list it as magic flip coin. Magic flip coin beats 80% of traders.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
I mean, technically it does. It's not a lie.
No.
Yeah.
And you have verifiable evidence because it was all flipped on stream, live on stream.
Yep.
Exactly.
Beats 80% of traders. All you gotta do is flip a coin twice a day.
Mm.
Magic winning strategy. I'm gonna do a video on it.
Mm. Okay, so I'm done. So I'll just open up Bullinox. You guys can see my Bullinox accounts quick. And then I'm gonna head out. So that's my realized column there. I think I have to maybe bring it down a little bit. Anyways, it's all green.
Yours looks better than mine. You want to trade?
But I do have some red, like OFT says Christmas colors. I do have some red. Hold on. Where is it? Why is it not showing? I do have a red. Ah, it's not red anymore. How's that possible? The 850. I thought it was red. I turned it green. The 850. Okay, cool.
Mine don't look as nice as yours, but it is green again.
I don't have any red. Yeah, let's make trading green again.
That's right. If you don't like it, you can go Patrick yourself.
I forgot about that one. Okay, guys, I gotta head out. Flatten everything.
All right.
Ruin, good talking with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, same here.
I'll see you maybe if you're gonna. I'll be streaming tonight. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning at 9:15 if you can't make it. Omnius, you want to close up? Say thank you and.
Hey, before that, what if I change my stream name to Live Day Trade and Co-Stream? Go Patrick yourself.
That's a long name, but you can try it. I would just go Patrick yourself.
All right, I'll just put Live Day Trade and Go Patrick yourself.
There you go.
Thank you guys. Appreciate it. You have a good day.
Ruin, have a good day. Thanks for chatting with us. Everybody
too,
else, appreciate y'all hanging out. Make sure before y'all leave, please hit the like button. If you haven't yet already subscribed, do that.
We'll be flipping the coin again tomorrow.
We'll be doing the coin flip again tomorrow. More degenerate jokes. Having a fun time, hanging out. Appreciate everyone. And on that note, see everybody tomorrow. Mike will see everybody this evening.
Yeah.
At what time, Mike?
5:45. I try to come on. Oh no, I can't. I got a daddy-daughter date. No, there's no streaming tonight.
Hot date for Mike.
Yeah, daddy-daughter date. I forgot about that. Okay.
That's, some of the most important dates we can have right there. Don't want to miss that.
No.
So
nope. Streaming
see
tomorrow
everybody
morning.
tomorrow morning. Same time, same place.
Yeah, guys, take care. Bye-bye.
Peace.
Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro. This gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, outs lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Future's floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like, chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Future's floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like, come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run the alive, click, stamp, click, click, watch me grow. Future's floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. He in my oil, like it's satisfact, and now I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat.